Hi everybody, Stephen Gubernick, Chief Clinical Officer and co-founder of Modern Acupuncture. You've been getting our Mod Acu series talking about all the stressful events that are going on and how we can manage that. You had the first one on breathing, which is great for relaxation. The next one was on our relaxing music through Barry, which really helps to calm the mind. And then the next one was from a D on acupressure and some points that you can use to help you feel better and combat some of that stress. Today I'm talking about what we can do to improve our sleep. These stressful times are very disruptive to our sleep, so we're going to be looking at these ear seeds here and some points that you could use along the ear which have been shown to potentially benefit our sleep. So what I'm going to show you is how you can apply this. I'll let you know where you could get them and kind of how they work. So we're going to be using Bailey here. She already has one on her ear there. I'm going to be putting one of these on so you can see. You got one? Yep. Got it. So this is just a little band-aid with a little bead on the inside. It's not sharp, it's not a needle. We typically use the ear for a lot of our treatments at Modern Acupuncture, but we could simulate a version of that at home by using this little bead band-aid where you could stimulate the point and start to activate some of those areas that can give us some benefit here. This particular protocol is to help you benefit your sleep. So this is one point that we'll be using. Another point is going to be right in here. And you can either apply these yourself or have somebody do it for you. And then all we'll do is Bailey can go ahead and press into that bead there and just kind of squeeze it light to moderate for a minute or two. And you're going to do this 3 to 4 times a day. So if you go on to the bottom of this email, we've partnered with one of our vendors to give us a package of these seeds with a picture, a diagram of where to put the points on your ear at their cost. We pass that on to you. We're not making money on this. This is just a way that we could help support you and all of us during these stressful periods and hopefully get some improvement in our sleep. So I hope everybody's doing well, and we will see you soon. Thank you.